up, peeps? It's Anakin IAOK Skulker here, and yeah, still not normal setting again. But it's gonna be today's vlog. Although not today, it's like tonight's vlog. So right now we're making cupcakes, and we're gonna try out some different frostings and stuff like that. And then we're just gonna be doing stuff, okay? And I'll see you. Actually, I'm gonna see you when I get in the kitchen. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. We didn't put it in the oven yet, until this. Oh wait. Okay, so we just put them in the oven, and now it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna be riding around my scooter doing bio flips, so let's see how that goes. Okay, guys, let's start. Let me get my scooter. Okay, guys, so if I didn't mention in yesterday, in one of my bio flipping challenges, I got a new scooter, so this is what it looks like. I know I'm actually pretty tall for it, but the brand is Mad Gear, and it's a good brand actually. So let's see how this works with the bottle flip and see if I can at least land one, because this is a miniature bottle, it's not one of those big bottles. I'm going to be flipping with my left hand. Let's see. No. Wait. Okay. Oh! Ah! Let me show you guys. There it is, right there. It looks cool. Oh yeah. All right. Let's try land a cat. Okay. Cat. All right. I know I can land a cat. Wow, because I did in another video. But let's see. Alright, let's just. Alright, I got this. Again! Okay. I control it with one hand. Is that better? Sorry, there's a lot of noise and we're trying to clean up. But, alright, let's keep going. Oh man. Alright, now I'm just gonna try like riding. I'm actually gonna ride on my. Well, actually, this time I'll try on this one. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, wait, let me pause this real quick. Okay. So let's keep going. Alright. Sorry for your voices in the background. If you know it's there. Oh no. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. If this doesn't work, I'm getting another water bottle. Another regular water bottle. Flip with my right hand this time. I'm not good at flipping with my right hand, but I'll try. No. See how far I threw that? That's how horrible I am. I do it on my right hand. And by the way, me and Tim made the cupcakes from a video actually. No. Alright, fine. I got this. I got this. I got this. See? Alright. I'm gonna get another water bottle here. Okay guys, so for some reason when I was vlogging like half of my video, but yeah, so for some reason I was videoing for like 9 to 15 minutes, but it only caught like 4 minutes and 26 seconds. I don't know why that happened, but I was doing an experiment and it was really cool. I don't know why I didn't catch that. I'm just now looking at the video because it kept pausing for some reason. I didn't know why. So, right now, I'm just going to show you what I was going to talk about and stuff like that. I was basically saying I'm going to make, we're showing you the muffins and they taste horrible. Like, they taste great. And we have to go spit them out because they're, like, really bad. But they taste like flour and just taste what they were made of. They didn't really have any taste. But, so I was talking about diamond play buttons. What I was saying is that I'm gonna make one out of like what I call it dough. It's sort of like, don't use it for cooking or anything because it's flour mixed with shampoo and it smells really good and you can form it into stuff. So I formed mine into like a little play button. And so then I decided that maybe I can find some silver or gold wrapping paper or something like that. So I'm like, okay, I need to go look for some. So I asked around and they said, well, we have foil. So I'm like, okay, I'll just use foil. And if you don't know what foil is, it's like just something that you wrap food in, you can put it in the fridge, it sort of looks like that. So I thought, well, that's actually pretty good. So this is just examples, but so I'll use some. So I actually made a nice little play button out of it, and I'll show it to you. And you can't really like focuses a bunch. You can't really get a good image of it. It's probably because of the glare. I'm trying to block it. Well. I don't know, wait, let me just like, you can sort of see where the play button actually is, but it's hard, because it's not focusing right, I don't know, but looks like that. So just imagine this the other way, because the camera turns things around, but yeah. So yeah, I just made that, and it stands up. It's pretty cool, that's what I think. So I was gonna say that I was like, since it was 7 something, and it's 10:36. So it wasn't a very long vlog, but I hope you guys had a great day. And yeah. Sorry, but I'm gonna do like a couple little scooter things, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog. But let's go ahead and start the scooter things. Examples of foil. I'm gonna put this over here so you guys can see it. So let's go ahead and put my scooter. So I don't know if you guys ever seen me on the scooter I had before this, but it was a Razor. And this one, as I said, is a little bit too short for me, because I'll compare this one, like it's up to my thigh line, which is about my shirt line. I'll compare the other one that I have, which is my Razor. And I didn't know what to, like, small for it, like for the deck, like foot-wise. But you can see it can rise up higher to like right here. So there's a difference in about that big, and so it's like, I don't know, I rather would ride on my Razor for height reasons. If like a Razor had a deck like that one, and like a little bit wider handlebars, like around like here, then I could probably deal with it. But it just doesn't. And so yeah, I'm actually pretty good riding on this one because I've been having this for a while, and I've always put it on maximum high. Even when I was little, I would ride around like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go. I don't know, maybe we can do a bar hop in here. I mean a bunny hop in here. Because I wouldn't suggest doing a tail whip in here. Because if I fall or my scooter hits anything, then I'll be in big trouble. So let's just go ahead and do bunny hop. It's really easy and it's the hop. So just go like that. Wait. Let me do it on the scooter. I think that is higher. I'm not very good, but I have really good balance. And so I'm practicing on my tail whips, but I don't trust myself inside the scooters. I can ride around. I'm looking at myself on camera. Wait 1 second. So if you guys did not see my channel update, go ahead and check that out, because I was talking about things that I could do, and so I'm going to be getting for Christmas that could help my YouTube channel. Now, I got this cool tent. I mean, it's cool, but it's that you can use it for a tent or like blinds when you're hunting, and I always wanted one of these. I thought they were so cool. So it's like, sorry with the lighting, but it's in the middle of the house, and it's camouflage. That's pretty good in there. And that was basically the main present next to the telescope. Pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you guys had a very, very Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. And don't forget, guys, I will be doing a New Year's Eve special. So if you guys can go ahead and watch that, I'm gonna make it maybe, but I can't promise you guys with that, because I said I would probably be going to the zoo or something and vlogging that, but I couldn't, because I couldn't bring my iPad, or my camera, so that means I couldn't do it. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a New Year's Eve special. But if I don't, I'm so sorry. It has to be for a very good reason. And I hope you guys had a wonderful, little day/night whenever you're watching this. And make sure to stay cool and be awesome. And again, okay, Skelker, out. I love pancakes. You love pancakes. Let's eat pancakes.